Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet book cover designs model. Here are some charming and creative crochet book cover design ideas to inspire your next project, whether you are crafting or personal use, gifts or even to sell. Vintage lace inspired cover. Use delicate cotton yarn. Incorporate vintage lace patterns or shell stitches. Add teeny pearl buttons or crochet roses for embellishment. Use soft pastel tones like ivory, blush, mint, or lavender. Horticultural floral book cozy. Crochet small 3D flowers like daisies, sunflowers, or roses and sew them onto a plain background. Use nature-inspired colors like shell green, dusty rose, cream, and sunflower yellow. Add a tie closer with crochet cords and teeny leaves on the ends. Granny skirt patchwork cover. Make mini granny skirts and join them together to fit the book's size. Mix vibrant and muted colors for a cozy patchwork look. Add a button or toggle fluff closer for functionality. Boho fringe style. Use natural or earthy yarn tones like mustard, terracotta, and beige. Add tassels or fringes along the edge. Incorporate simple texture like puff stitches or bubble rose. Personalized monogram cover. Crochet the plain background and cross stitch or surface crochet the owner's in details. Embellish with a crochet frame or flower around the monogram. Great as a thoughtful custom gifts. Animal themed covers for kids. Designed with cute animal faces like bunny, fox, bear, and owl. Use safety eyes or embroidered facial features. Add floppy ears or tails for a playful 3D effect. Mandala or geometric pattern. Create a circular mandala motif and center it on the front. Use color-changing yarn or coordinated color blocks. Add surface embroidery for extra flair. Next, envelope style book sleeve. Create a crochet envelope with a button or toggle closer. Use textured stitches like moss stitch, alpine stitch, or basket weave. Line it with fabric for extra protection. Nature-inspired theme. Motifs like leaves, vines, mushrooms, or butterflies. Earthy natural friendly tones like forest green, sky blue, bark brown. Combine embroidery and appliques for depth. Tapestry crochet design. Crochet images or codes into the cover using tapestry crochet technique. Examples: once upon a time, books, hearts, coffee cups, etc. Was done with a chart or graph for precision. Here are even more unique and creative crochet book cover design ideas to inspire your next handmade masterpiece. Mushroom meteor cover. Use origami style crochet to make teeny mushrooms. Sew them onto a mossy green or brown pictured background. Add embroidery for grass and wildflowers. Ruffle edge dramatic cover. Crochet a simple base and edge it with ruffles using shell or picot stitches. Use soft dramatic tones like dusty pink, lavender, cream. Add a stained ribbon or a crochet book closer. Here are more practical and creative tips for making beautiful and functional crochet book covers. First, measure your book first. Always measure your book height, width, and spine before starting. Add a little trace allowance, but not too much crochet traces, slightly over time. Use double yarn. Cotton yarn is ideal, smooth, strong, and doesn't froze or express too much. Avoid overly fluffy yarns for covers that will see daily use. Add fabric lining. A sewn-in fabric lining helps protect the book and gives your cover structure. Choose a contrasting or matching fabric for an extra charming look. Pick a suitable stitch. Use stitches that give a dense fabric, single crochet, half double crochet, moss stitch. Avoid large open stitches unless you are using a fabric picking. Add a built-in bookmark. Crochet a chain, form the top center, add a charm, tassel, or crochet motifs at the end. Great for journals or planners. Include flaps or pockets. Create inner flaps to hold the front and back covers in place, like a chest jacket. You can also crochet a front pocket for pins, sticky notes, or index card. Experiment with color blocking. Use contrasting or complementary yarn colors. Horizontal or vertical blocks give a modern touch. Tie different closures and buttons and loops closures for charm and function. Or use crochet ties, toggle buttons, snap fasteners, or velcro for variety. Use embellishments wisely. Sewn appliques, buttons, beads, or embroidery after finishing the base. Don't use bulky decorations where the book will rest on a surface. It may affect balance. Test fit before finishing. Before weaving in ends or sewing things permanently, test the fit on the book. The way to adjust easily if it is too tight or too loose. Block your crochet work. Blocking helps even out stitches and gives your cover a neat professional finish. Chain steams or weight block cotton pages before sewing or assembling. Reinforce the spine area. Books are painted and closed often, so the spine area needs reinforcement. Use tensor stitches or double crochet jaws at the spine for strength. Use stitch markers for precision. Mark edged corners or fold lines to keep your shape symmetrical and stitch count accurate. Especially helpful when shaping flaps or adding appliques. Try hidden magnetic closures. You can embed small magnets inside the flap and body of the cover. This keeps it sleek and functional, perfect for minimalist or modern designs. Try hidden magnetic closures. You can embed a small magnetic inside the flap and body of the cover. This keeps it sleek and functional, perfect for minimalist or modern designs. Incorporate a clear pocket, crochet the cover and attach a clear vinyl window to slip in photo, coat or title card. Great for planners, recipe books or travel journals. Use coordinated yarn for a site. Make matching bookmarks, pouch or cup cozy using the same yarn or stitch. Turns your book cover into a thoughtful handmade cube set. Make it reversible. Use two decorative panels sealed back to back so the cover can be flipped. Each side could reflect a different mood or season. Create a universal size cover and extra strays or adjustable flaps to fit multiple books. You can even add buttons or multiple flap points for resizing. Keep a design sketchbook. Plan and sketch each book cover idea in a notebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!